Hey folks, today you're looking at stock number 206413, and this is a 2019 GMC 2500 Denali, and our color is white. Our interior features include power windows, locks, and mirrors with power folding mirrors. We have a memory seat with a power driver's seat and power lumbar support. We have our trailer brake, 4x4 options, lighting options, telescopic steering wheel, which also features forward collision alert, cruise control, and a heated steering wheel as well. We also have our hands-free communication, and this unit comes equipped with a CD MP3 player. We have a USB port, an auxiliary jack. We are satellite radio ready. We also have our dual and electronic climate control, also featuring heated and cooled front seats. We have our power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp, parking assist, lane keep assist, hill descent control, and our exhaust brake. This unit can come equipped with OnStar, garage door openers, and our interior color is black. Our exterior features include running boards, 20-inch aluminum rims. We've got mud flaps, our tailgate step with our rear parking assist. We've got a rear view camera as well, and a spray-on box liner for all your cargo. Our rear passenger features include power windows, a center armrest and cup holder, and we have a 60/40 split bench seat that folds up for extra cargo space. And there you have it, folks. Stock number 206413. You've just checked out this 2019 GMC 2500 Denali, and our color is white.